Good morning, students. Welcome to my English class once again. Now, guys, today in this video, I'm going to start a very important topic from your grammar. Okay, that is transformation of sentence. It is very important. Okay, before starting the chapter, I want to discuss that what is transformation. You have to know the meaning of transformation. Okay, so guys, transformation is a process of changing the form of a sentence without changing its meaning. Okay, or we could say that it is a method of expressing the same meaning in a different way. Guys, transformation of sentence is a useful exercise since it gives practice in framing different kinds of sentences. So, let's start transformation of sentence. As you all know that sentence can be classified into affirmative, negative, imperative, interrogative, assertive and exclamatory sentences. These sentences can be transformed into different form without changing the meaning of the sentence. So this process is known as transformation of sentences. As you know that the sentence can be divided into four categories: declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. Declarative is a simple statement. In interrogative, we ask the question, it ends with a full stop. And what is exclamatory? It expresses the sudden feeling of our heart. And at the end of the sentence, we use exclamation sign. Okay. And what is imperative? In imperative sentence, we give command, we make request. Okay. That is imperative. So let's start how to transform affirmative sentence to negative. Very first, we will read transforming affirmative sentence to negative. Just see the example. He is a poor man. This is the affirmative. Okay. Now, what is the negative? If you want to make it negative, what you have to do? You have to use not after the verb is. As you can see in this picture, it is given over there. He is not a poor man. So, by putting by putting not after the helping verb, we have made the sentence negative. So what is it? What it telling us? What it is telling us that no, not, never, nothing, nobody, etc. If we will use these words in a sentence, our sentence will become negative. Have a look on this sentence again. They are playing cricket. What is the negative? They are not playing cricket. But now in this video, guys, we are talking about transforming. Okay, we are not simply changing the affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. Here we are learning transforming, how to transform affirmative sentence to negative. Means without changing the meaning, how to make an affirmative sentence negative. Let's see the example once again, the same example. Now we will not make the only negative, we will transform. Let's see it. He is a poor man. This is the affirmative. Okay, now how to transform it into negative. So the what is the rule? The rule is that by replacing certain words and expressions with their antonyms, we change an affirmative sentence to we transform an affirmative sentence to negative. As you can see in this picture, we have used here the antonym of the um, antonym of the adjective poor. What is given over there? Rich. And before using the antonym, we have used not. So, what is the sentence? He is not a rich man. It means he is a poor man. So, here we have transformed the sentence, but we have not changed the meaning. Okay, move on the next. Now, here we are changing the negative to affirmative. Okay, it is not an easy task. This is a negative statement. Now, change it into affirmative without changing its meaning. So, in place of an easy, we have used here difficult. The antonym of the word easy is difficult. So, what is the sentence? It is a difficult task. So, we have transformed the negative to to affirmative. without changing the meaning. Okay. Now, guys, the next rule is we transform affirmative to negative by changing the degrees of comparison. As you all know that there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. In positive, we do not do any comparison. We use simple root word of the adjective and we use as, or so as. Okay. And in comparative, we do the comparison between two and we add er to the root word of the adjective, and after that we use than then. Okay. And in superlative we do the comparison of one thing to all and we add est to the root word, and before that we use the. Okay. So guys, see the example how to transform affirmative to negative by changing the degree of comparison. As you can see in this example, the first is written in positive. No other poet was as great as Kalidas. While making it comparative, we have changed no other to any other. Dekho, see, Kalidas was greater than any other poet. Okay, no other को any other से change करा. Okay, Kalidas was greater than any other poet. Okay, now if you want to make the superlative of the same sentence, what it would be? Kalidas was the greatest poet. Okay, you can take one more example. Like iron is more durable than wood. So we can say that wood is not as durable as iron. Okay, we change the degree of comparison, but we do not change the meaning. All right. Now move on the next. The next rule is a removal of the adverb to by replacing to and by using so that we transform affirmative sentence to negative. Have a look on this example. India is too strong to be defeated. Okay, so here we have replaced the words to and to by the words so and that. See, what is the sentence? India is so strong that it cannot be defeated. Have a look on the another example. The news is too good to be true. The news is so good that it cannot be true. Guys, have a look on this rule so things will be more clear to you. To is replaced by, so. And after that plus object plus cannot or could not. Object can be any. He, she, they, it. Okay. And after cannot we use present tense and could not we use past tense. Okay. Now guys, there are one more thing. We transform the affirmative sentence to negative by replacing as soon as to no sooner did. As you can see in this example, as soon as the bell rang, comma, I ran outside. Now we have changed it into negative by using no sooner did. No sooner did the bell ring, comma, then I ran outside. Okay guys, so have a look on the another. No sooner and then. Guys, no sooner than is used to talk about something that happens immediately after something else. And no sooner is only used with the past perfect in this sentence, that starts with no sooner and the past simple in the next sentence. As you can see this example, no sooner had he arrived in Rome than he was kidnapped. So guys, this is the transforming of affirmative sentence to negative, and we will discuss some more things in the next video. Okay, till then I hope that it is clear to you.